Everybody, I'm excited to just share a few words before we close out. What an amazing config, first of all. We put a ton of care into planning an event like this. And as you'd expect, there are a lot of things that you can predict and plan for when you're planning an event for 10,000 people. But there are always some surprises. So here are a few things that I did not personally have on my config bingo card for this year. Number one, the number of times I heard, "Do you want to trade plushies?" Second, hearing a convention center full of the world's top designers go absolutely wild for Eat of the Pie Eye. And third, number of times that people asked to see my config nails. But in all seriousness, it means just so much to me that you all are here and that you all were present and were able to be together as a community with us. I hope you had the most amazing time at Config. This is so special to us to be able to host you all, and I hope that you can take the energy from this event and spread it when you go back into your world and your community. Thank you. So we'll be outside in the Commons to continue the celebration until 6:30. As Nico has reminded us all plenty of times, this is San Francisco. Bring your layers. Thank you again, and we really hope to see you next year. Have a great night. You all rock.